What if we told you that you could streamline a complex business process into a seamless automation journey, all with IT's support, and AI does the heavy lifting for you? Intriguing, right? Welcome to the world where MuleSoft and Salesforce revolutionize automation. Consider this. A customer of Cumulus Bank is submitting an application for a new account. They fill out the form, attach supporting documents, and submit. Now the application has to be checked for completion, the documents have to be read, background and credit checks need to be completed, a branch manager has to approve the application, and finally the account has to be created in the bank's mainframe system. And that's not all. The internal accounts team needs to be notified, and the customer has to be informed of the approval and their new account information. Whoa, that's a lot. Let's go back to the beginning and see how our automation tools can make all of this easy. The submission of the application triggers flow orchestration, where all multi-user, multi-step, and multi-application flows are coordinated. The orchestration first checks if the application is complete. If it is incomplete, an automated email is sent to the customer and the orchestration pauses. But if it is complete, the orchestration coordinates two stages of processing to have the account approved and created. We start with the first stage, application form approval preparation. Before the new account is approved by a bank manager, orchestration must ingest and parse the attached supporting documents and leverage existing APIs to conduct a background and credit check. This will help ensure that the bank manager has all of the necessary information before making an approval decision. Let's take a closer look at the ingestion process for the submitted application form. For this, orchestration invokes MuleSoft Intelligent Document Processing, or IDP. Intelligent Document Processing uses pre-trained AI models to identify and extract desired data from documents, transforming unstructured data into actionable insights. Inside Intelligent Document Processing, the user can identify key fields in the application form with just a few clicks and map them to variables that can be used later. These variables are passed back to our orchestration. The user can also leverage Einstein's AI to get a summary of the document. Now the orchestration can use the data from the application form. Next, the orchestration uses MuleSoft steps to call an API that connects to external background and credit check systems. This API was already built by IT on the Anypoint platform. Let's take a look. Behind the scenes, developers at Cumulus Bank are hard at work ensuring background and credit checks can be executed through a simple API. They can sign into MuleSoft's new IDE, Anypoint Code Builder, where once again they are greeted by Einstein. They can ask Einstein to create a flow that uses the customer's SSN to conduct a background and credit check through Experian and TransUnion, output their credit scores and a background check summary. Einstein takes care of the heavy lifting, and the developers simply modify the flow, publish it to CloudHub for consumption, and export the APIs as an invocable action for flow orchestration to reuse. MuleSoft Steps and Flow Orchestration bridges the gap between developers and business teams. Isn't that amazing? IT can build, secure, and govern APIs on the Anypoint platform, while business users can leverage them in their automated workflows with just a few simple clicks. Flow orchestration then enables human approval to take place. Here, a bank branch manager can step in to review the application and make a preliminary decision about whether they can accept this application or not. Just like that, orchestration makes it easy to implement human interactions alongside system integrations. Once approved, orchestration moves on to Phase 2, create customer account and notify. Cumulus needs to create the customer's account in their mainframe, but they also need to update their records in third-party systems like SAP. Orchestration can coordinate processes in parallel. Orchestration once again uses MuleSoft steps, this time to invoke an RPA bot that creates the customer's account in the bank's mainframe. Behind the scenes, an RPA developer has already configured an RPA bot that logs into the mainframe system and creates an account with the data extracted from the document initially. Alongside, the orchestration invokes a flow in MuleSoft Composer to integrate with third-party systems. The Composer flow begins with an invocable flow trigger, ensuring it can communicate with the orchestration. It then uses the pre-built connector to update SAP, specifically the SAP ERP system. Now let's suppose the business team wants to take this one step further and send a customized welcome email to the customer. With the ability to connect to LLMs right in Composer, the automation can call OpenAI to quickly generate an email with context from the original application form. Now, of course, human approvals are key to success in delicate business communications. The email body is sent back to Flow Orchestration, where the account owner can review that all stages have been completed successfully before personalizing the email and hitting send. So there you have it. A complex process streamlined into a swift, intelligent automation journey, all thanks to MuleSoft and Salesforce. And remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. From multi-step flows to document processing, AI-led development to custom content generation, the possibilities with our automation tools are endless. Together, we're democratizing innovation, putting the power of technology into the hands of business users and developers alike, and transforming the future of automation. Welcome to the world where your ideas come to life effortlessly.